Today, we're doing the 15-minute six-pack challenge. No quitting, no excuses. Are you ready? Yes! Wake up your body, smile and keep moving. Come on. We started together, we finished together. One, two, three. Touch elbow to knee. Feel those abs working.
1, 2, 3.
This is where champions are made. Lift those legs. You can do it. Only a few more reps. Who can hold the longest? Don't drop.
10, 9, 8,
15 minutes stronger. Remember this, every drop of sweat is dream body.
Yes!
Every drop closer to your dream body.